Hey guys, welcome back to Heavy Lies the Crown, back with another unboxing video. I got two packages from Supreme. Let's get into it right now. We're gonna open up the first package. We're gonna see what's inside. Alright, nothing else in the bag. Let's get into it. First, we got two box logo vote stickers. So we've seen these stickers before the elections, and yeah, here we got the new era Balaclava, Heather Gray, Bali. Yeah, let's get it out the bag, DS it for you guys. Anyone else who bought this is how your bag's supposed to open. Very gluey, very sticky. I'm showing you guys this for anyone wanna legit check their item. That's how I gotta come out the bag. There you have it. Supreme on the back. This is the back side of the Balaclava. You have Supreme branding written big on the back. Very clean, very nice. If you guys picked up this Balaclava, let me know what colorway you guys picked it up in. At the top you got a hang tag. On the cheek you have the new era logo. At the bottom you have new era tag, a black new era tag, regular things. Yeah guys, inside you can see the print from the back of the Balaclava. You can see it inside, and there you guys have it. What do you guys think? Rate it in the comments. Let me know if you guys picked up a Balaclava. Also, if you want to enter in my giveaway, you have to subscribe to my channel, and also you have to be subscribed to my Instagram. So yeah, there you guys have it. Let's move on to the next item. This item is the hottest item at the end of the fall winter 20 season for Supreme. Alright, one of the hottest items you could get. Let's open up and see what we got. We got the Mariah. Here's some of the goodies. First, we got the Stay Positive button, guys. Anybody else got the Stay Positive? We got Supreme New York regular sticker, regular box logo, no vote box logo. Then we got the Mariah Carey sticker, guys. Mariah Carey. And we also got a regular box Supreme sticker right here too. Alright, let's get into it. This is the Mariah Carey tee in the white colorway. Also, I got it in the medium size. Anybody else rock medium? Let me know in the comments, because when I be raffling t-shirts soon, I gotta know your size. Alright, there's the medium. And yeah, that's Mariah Carey. One of the hottest tees for the fall winter 20. It's pretty dope that they had to drop Mariah Carey tee right there. And it matches the sticker too. So you have the picture, and it also has the words to Supreme Merry Christmas XO Mariah. And yeah, what do you guys rate this? Let me know in the comments. I rate this a 10. Guys, so if you want to enter in my giveaway, you have to be subscribed to my YouTube and my Instagram. Alright, so thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next videos. Peace.